Hello back my charm friends, for daily charm for March 5, 2021. Daily charm, tarot reading and charm for March 5, 2021. You know time is fluid, so please take it around March 5. It means that from my experience I know that the energies are fairly accurate for the next 2 or 3 days, but please check your experience, okay, in which day it occurred approximately these events, and please give feedback. Please, angels, archangels, what are the daily charm message for March 5? March 5. Please give me 3. Give me 3. And after that, clarifiers. Please give me 3. Thank you. Another 2, please. Thank you. Another one, please. Thank you. Ooh, these are 2, so I will take like this. 2 clarifiers, please. Once again, 2 clarifiers. This energy, the morning energy. Ooh, a little bit trembling, vibrant energy in the morning. 2 clarify. No, 3 clarifiers for the morning, for the middle of the day. Thank you. So interesting situation. Okay, very active first part of the day in the morning. Now, for March 5, this is the magic word. The energy, the general energy for March 5. Thank you. The abundance, prosperity message for March 5. Please, angel, give your answer for March 5. What is important? Thank you. And from your angel, from our angel, what is the daily message for March 5? Thank you. A lot of messages. In the last period, it's a lot more messages than usual. And this is interesting. This means growth. This means that, 3 messages from your angel. It means that something is starting to renew. And finally, we are out from this kind of shitty energy, you know. Now, the wonderful magic charmed word for today is weed. Don't tolerate less than you deserve. Don't tolerate less than you deserve. Weed. So, get rid of all the toxic people and toxic situation from your life. General energy of the day is anxiety, but it was in reverse. So, anxiety, get rid of the anxiety, okay? Get rid of the anxiety. The anxiety is not yours. You will succeed. The prosperity angel is telling you, it is safe for you to receive. It is safe for you to receive. The more you allow yourself to receive, the more resources you have available to share with others. Open your arms to receive and be a conduit for good coming to you and through you as it blesses the world. So, if somebody is willing to give something, please accept it. Because if you have more, you can share more, okay? So, don't be shy. Your angels are telling you today, recovery. No, this is from anxiety, so weed and recover. And get more information. Now, this is interesting. And trust. Get more information, trust, and recovery. Now let's see why did we receive today this message. You see? Okay. Let's see what is in the cards. In the tarot, Two of Pentacles, balancing, juggling with money and with budget. In reverse, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, so slow motion, starting slow is coming, but very slow. And Page of Swords, news, good news. So I don't know if they will be good news or bad news, but they are news, communication, new idea. Now, or it can be a younger man or female, studying law. If you have a child or somebody around you, so it's still 26 years old, no more. Okay, so let's see what is the clarifiers for the Two of Pentacles. This means juggling, maintaining a balance in your budget, in your money, and in your work and life. So maintaining a balance, mainly in your finances, mainly in your money. Now, we received the Hermit. And we received the Six of Swords. And we receive in reverse the Four of Swords. Now, my dear one, so balance your budget, keep the secret of your budget, and in a meditation, try to see how can you find another source of money, another source of income. But keep it in secret, keep it for yourself, don't tell to anybody. It's time to get out from your resting place. So this is resting after a battle, resting and recovering, yes. But it's time, you receive it upside down, so it's time to recover finally. It's time to start and take action. And in secret, keep it secret that you are willing and you will be moving to better places. So keep in secret your action and take action also in secret and move to better location in order to make more money. But keep it in secret, don't tell to anybody today at least. Now this Knight of Pentacles in reverse, which means that this Knight of Pentacles, this source of money is coming slowly to you finally, this is not stuck, is paired with Queen of Cups. So it's interesting. It must be interesting. This Queen of Cups is a loving lady. This is a caring lady. It may be you. And this is a slow moving person, a man, mainly a man. It doesn't have to be a man, but this person is taking care of the strategy how to make money. This is a very good planner, the man or the female, I mean. And maybe this Queen of Cups is thinking how to start to make more money. Please keep it in secret. If you want to go away from your actual place where you are, please keep it secret a little bit. And Page of Swords. So till in the evening, a good idea, it seems to me that it will come to you. And this is related to Three of Cups. So you will have till the evening, it will come to you in your mind such a good idea that you will celebrate. So you will celebrate. Okay, now let's see what is the short answer of the Lenormand style charm. The very, very short answer. Yes, the second part of the day. Here is a cat, a loving cat. So a loving person, a nurturing person. This is related directly to the Queen of Cups. She is willing to make something what she likes. She is willing to pursue her own loving and caring nature. So, you know, this can be a job as a nurse, as a kindergarten teacher, as a teacher, so for children, you know. This can be somebody who is taking care of others, caretaker. So she is willing to start to make money with a thing which she loves. Until the evening, news coming in. This is communication. This is also communication, news coming in. This is the dolphin. This means news. Communication, pure and simple. And, ooh, this is a camera. This is a photograph. This is a video. This is a camera. Yes, news coming. So she will have celebration. Maybe she thinks to start a channel. Because, you know, video channel. Why not? YouTube channel. So this is video, this is communication together and something to celebrate. This means vlogging. This means vlogging. Okay. Or this means wedding photographer. So photographer, professional photographer at events. Maybe she will receive some news. Okay, or maybe she will start a side hustle in digital photography. Now, for the day of March 5, what is the general message of the charms? Per hours, please. A lot of things. Now let's think what is outside your priority. You cannot rely on your ex-colleagues. So this is a club. This is a club. This is a reunion of people, you know, exquisite clubs during the faculty, during the college, during the, so in the community. So you cannot, so this is outside of question. Maybe you think at this, but you cannot rely really on them. And outside your, oh yes, outside your priority is phone service. This is phone. Yes, so call service, call center is outside of your priority. Absolutely. Now, what you have in your priority and what you will do today is something, oh, this is hope. Hope in so upside down. This means a daycare center for elderly peoples. Okay. Or you know. So. And you have frog. Frog means new beginnings. New fast beginnings. Interesting, yes. This means also fertility, because the frogs are known for their extreme fertility. They are very, very fast reproducing themselves. And this is a child. Yes, a male child. Male child. Yeah, this is a male child. So this is an umbrella. Umbrella for a child. So kindergarten, nursing, babysitting. And this is also somehow, but not so upside down for the elderly. Okay, so you will prefer, so between two, if you must, if you if you have to decide, if you must decide, you would prefer taking care of young people, of children, and not to so for elderly people, okay? If you prefer, if you can choose. Now, in the mid of the day, you don't know yet because you received upside down, but this is a Vras, this is a victory. You didn't, you will not receive yet, but this is decided in the midday. In the afternoon, after 2 o'clock maybe, you will receive something, so a luck, so you have a lucky day, yes, related to some stability, financial stability, and maybe related to something with fish or something like this. And you have a dove. No, this is not a dove, sorry, this is a swan. This is loyalty, this means loyalty, purity, but also, you know, dove and security, so financial security, I mean, and stability. And luck means loyal people on which you can rely. And yeah, stability. In the afternoon, around 5 o'clock, this is a gun. This is a gun, so something will become very, very fast. A windfall. This is a fan, this is a ventilator, this is a fan, electric ventilator. It will come like a windfall, so yes. So good news, very, very fast coming. Good news, like a ballot is coming, some windfalls for you. So till the evening. Yes. This gun, by the way, is a weapon, yes. And I told you, maybe other days, that everybody who is taking a sword, and this is a page of swords, we can assimilate the swords with a weapon, any kind of weapon. Of course that you cannot... so usually you don't have swords in our days as a weapon, usually, because we have, but it's not habitual. My dear friends, I wish you the best of your days and take care of you. Till tomorrow, please comment, like and subscribe. Bye bye.